dude's gonna fire this thing up. Yep. What's good, YouTube fam? We finally made it to Charlotte. We're here for the pre-meet for StreetCar TakeOver. Let's go! Over here. Let's take a look. Well, y'all guys already know. Clear valve covers. I fucking love it. Ooh, that's Sheepy Racing manifold right there. Okay, big money spent on this bad boy. Race car right here. Man's got Stitch on the car, okay. What? RX-7 without a rotary? Oh my god, they act like that's something new. Turbo the size of your fucking head? That's different. Ultimate dad car right here. CTSV. Good day. Carbon hood too. Carbon splitter. This thing is sick. NSX. Okay. right-hand drive. Okay, this little dude's cool. Look at, oh, the blue seats. Okay, gives me STI vibes of the early 2000s. This thing is wicked. Ooh, got the stanced out tree-fitted Z sitting on the ESRs. Alright guys, we just snagged us some dinner. We're getting ready to head back to the car show and see what's going down. Looks like a bunch of cool shit showed up, so let's go take a look. This NSX is hot. Got the R32 packed all the way in the back, man. What a shame. This beautiful thing having to hide back in the back parking lot. Drift 350Z. Yeah, buddy. This place is bad. This is just a premium. Jesus Christ. Got enough truck. Oh my gosh. It's probably the most off-road this thing is. We're like, too clean up in there to be anything but a paper princess. Jesus Christ, buddy. Ooh. S2000 is beautiful. Set on TE37. I like this wrap. If I'm not mistaken, it's maybe the one that's LS slot and hey, got a beautiful Mark IV Supra. Bad boy sitting on CCWs, okay. Got the full lift kit with the TE37s. Okay. This thing is badass with the Okay guys, we got a super clean 2G Eclipse. I love C5 Corvettes. Okay, I'm not the biggest Mustang fan, but this Mach 1 is gorgeous. This gray with the gold wheels, the black stripes with the touch of red. This little dude is badass, sitting on the ground with the matte wrap. Okay. Okay, we got us a 370Z sitting on Conseil tandems with some red mirror tint and carbon fiber fenders. Okay. Very nice. Woo, right hand drive Del Sol. Okay. I see you, my dude. Let's see if this dude's gonna fire this thing up. Yep.